Good afternoon, class. So I'm not there today. I am actually at a technology workshop gathering some more information about technology to come back and share with you. So I'm going to tell you what's going to happen today in library class. So in your Google Classroom, which you should already be in because you're watching this video, you will see that there is a thing that says parts of a book. So today we're going to learn about all sorts of different parts of a book because a book is not just made up of just pages and a cover. So we're going to talk about the different parts of a book. So you will notice that you have an Edpuzzle. So you need to make sure that you click on the Edpuzzle and watch that video. It's going to have some questions throughout it asking you different things about the video and to just check for understanding. When you get done with the Edpuzzle, you can flip over to How Books Are Made. And that's going to tell you how they actually put a book together. It's going to have some questions in it also because it is an Edpuzzle. All right. And then when you get done with that, there's a parts of a book quiz. So you're just going to click on it. It's a Google slide and it's going to ask you to move some stuff around. So these little things right here, you should be able to grab and move to what these different areas, and then you're going to tell me what this page is called. So you're going to take these little things and move them around. Sometimes you have to use more than one hand in order to click and move these little boxes, okay? So those are the things that you're going to do today. Each of these, when you get to this book quiz thing, if you come back and say view assignment, click on that, it'll have the turn in button to it. Okay, so you've got parts of a book and how books are made. I don't care, you can watch them in any order that you want to, but when you get done with this, you're going to do parts of a book quiz. You probably will not get done with everything today just because we're on a shortened period, but I want you to work as hard as you can today. And if we don't get done, we will finish it up next time. If you have any questions, just go ahead and ask Mrs. Pasker and she should be able to help you. Have an awesome day.